Here we go. Question 7 for 700 points. A square with side lengths of 1 is revolved around one of its diagonals, and that's what we tried to indicate on the left here, to form a solid in the shape of 2 identical cones with a common base. What is the volume of this solid? And then we tried to draw the solid over there on the right, but that's supposed to be a 3-dimensional thing. And there are your 4 choices: pi times the square root of 2 over 12, pi times the square root of 2 over 6, pi times the square root of 2 over 3, and pi times the square root of 2 over 2. And we'll see what the correct answer is. 2 people got this right too. Nice going. Pi times the square root of 2 over 6. Who got it right? Eric got it right, and Minyi got it right. That's all. So Minyi, do you want to give us a little bit of idea how you got it? Can you pick up the microphone like I was explaining to Hope and turn it on? And then don't forget to turn it off when you're done talking, but not before. All right, so how did you figure that out?
I just separate the value to the 2 cones and just find the radius. I just calculate separate the volume, and I find the volume of the cone, and then times 2.
And here, directly you can see this box is moving right. Oh. What's the significance of that, Minyi? I don't know, you probably didn't have time to see it, but there's an exhibit over there with lots of interesting solids, and so is that what it would look like? And you obviously have a very good lab here. They manufactured that very quickly. The 3D printing is much faster than I thought about that. And so maybe we should have passed those out ahead of time. It's easier to visualize if it's in your hands. And then you got it, Minyi, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And so do you remember the volume of a cone, or did you guess that?
Can I see the question again?
I don't know. Can we? Yeah. Yeah. There you go.
Yeah. Because and you see the square, and then you separate to the 2 parts, and the base is a circle, and so the radius is vertical 2 over 2, and the height is 1/2. So you calculate the cone, and then times 2.
Yeah, times 2, yeah. And is that one of the solids that separates into 2? Yeah, so see if you can open that one up and show the 2 solids that are involved. Eric will do that.
That one's split the other way.
Oh, sorry, it split the other way. All right. Well, so there's the square. Very good, Eric. All right, nice going. So that's right over there. And then that's a very interesting, there's a lot of interesting exhibits here, but that one's right over there really close to the orbifold. All right, so here now we'll see what the score is going into the last question. Eric with 2,500, Minyi with 1,400, tied with Nick with 1,400, and Hope with 1,200. Very tight game. All right, so here we go. The 800-point question. And that's Eric who wants to use his help. Right. On the positive real numbers, we'll define f as follows. f of x is equal to that lovely fraction there, x plus 1 over x, that quantity to the 4th, minus, in parentheses, x to the 4th plus 1 over x to the 4th, and then minus 2, and then down in the denominator, x plus 1 over x, that quantity squared, plus x squared plus 1 over x squared. And we want to know what twisted mind came up with that function for one thing, and then also what we really want to know is what is the minimum value of f of x? Is it 1, 2, 3, or 4? Now this is everything really but calculus, is what we have in the math game. So you could take the derivative and set it to equal. Why you want it equal to 0? Why you want to do that? I don't know. It's because you try to use algebra and simplify it, and it turns out I think what he says is right. It does always turn out to be 2. Yes, and 3 people got that right. Very good. Nice going. And Eric, you're one of them, I think. And so that probably means that you won the game. But and here is how you might figure it out. And then see that red part that's because your blood pressure is going up because you're running out of time and you can't find a pen. And then you throw it out of the law, just be cool about it. And then it goes up again right before you said 5 seconds left. But yeah, it always, no matter what you do, it turns out to be 2, as long as it's defined. All right, so very good. 3 of you getting that right. That's nice. Eric winds up in first place with 3,300. We have a tie for second between Nick and Minyi at 2,200, and then Hope with 1,200. So I'll come over and check that.